Good morning, all of you. Today we will study about exercise 6.7. Exercise 6.7, because we have already covered 6.5, 6.6 yesterday, and hopefully you all have completed. Now today we will do exercise 6.7. Here it is word problem exercise, and in word problem you have to write the statement, and writing of the statement along with the solution is very important in word problem. So see first question. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of the ribbon. So how do we write? Sarita bought ribbon of what length? 2 by 5 meter. Okay. Now what? Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of length. Lalita bought how much? Lalita bought ribbon of what length? Lalita bought ribbon of 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter of length. So what we have to find? We have to find the total length of the ribbon. We have to find the total length of the ribbon. Total length of ribbon we have to find. So in question it is given Sarita bought ribbon 2 by 5 meter, Lalita bought ribbon 3 by 4 meter. So total length of the ribbon, what we have to do? We have to add. We have to add to get the total length of the ribbon. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. We will add so that we will reach the answer. Now what we will do? We will do addition. We will take LCM. LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. 5 4 is 20, 4 2 is 8. 4 5 is 5 3 is 15. That is 23 by 20 meter. 23 by 20 meter. So this is the answer. Thus, so how do we write answer? Thus the total length of ribbon will be, total length of ribbon is how much? 1 whole 3 by 20 meter. This is the answer. 1 whole 3 by 20 meter. Why we have done this? Because we are seeing that it is in improper fraction, that is numerator is greater than denominator, and when the answer is in improper fraction, that means when numerator will be greater than denominator, we have to write the answer in mixed fraction. Okay, we have to convert it and write the answer in mixed fraction. So this is the whole statement, and by this only you have to do in your fair copy. Okay, Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon, Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of the ribbon. Total length we will add. After adding we will get this as answer. So total length is 1 whole 3 by 20 meter. Okay, so this is the solution of first question. Okay, now we will do question number 4. Now we will do question number 4. So this is question number 4. Now we will do. So I think now I am going to rub it. Okay, so question number 4 we will do now. See question number 4. What is given? From the rope of length 20 whole 1 by 2 meter. So the length of rope is given. Length of rope is given how much? 20 whole 1 by 2 meter. 20 whole 1 by 2 meter the length of rope is given. Rope means rassi. Rope means rassi. Length of rope मतलब रस्सी की लंबाई 20 whole 1 by 2 meter दे रखी है. Now what it is asked? A piece of length 3 whole 5 by 8 is cut. So cut off length is given how much? Cut off length is 3 whole 5 by 8 meter. 3 whole 5 by 8 meter is the cut off length. This is the cut off length, 3 whole 5 by 8 meter. Length of rope is 20 whole 1 by 2 meter. So what we have to find? We have to find the remaining length. We have to find the remaining length of rope. So remaining length of rope, how will we find? what we do, we will convert it first into the fraction. 20 to the 40, 1 by 2 meter, and this also 8 3 is 24 plus 5, 29 by 8 meter. Now remaining length, what we will do, we will subtract cutoff length from the total length. Okay, that means 41 by 2 is subtracting by 29 by 8. This is the total length we will have, and this is the cutoff length. When cutoff length is subtracted from the total length, we will get the remaining length. Okay, so 2 and 8 denominator is different, so we will take a LCM, and LCM of 2 and 8 will be 8 only. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, minus 8 is 29. Okay, so what we will have, we will have 135 by 8 meter. How much is the remaining length? 135 by 8 meter is the remaining length of the rope. So how do we write the answer? Thus remaining length of rope is 8 whole. We will divide 135 by 8 to get the mixed fraction. 8 1s are 8, 55, 8 7s are 8, 6 are 48, 7. So 16 whole 7 by 8 meter is the answer. Remaining length of the rope is 16 whole 7 by 8 meter is the answer. Why we do this? Because numerator is greater than denominator, that means answer is in improper fraction. Okay, answer is in improper. When the answer is in proper, we don't have to do, but when the answer is in improper fraction, we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 4. Total length is given 20 whole 1 by 2 meter. We have converted it into 41 by 2 meter. Cutoff length is 3 whole 5 by 8 meter. Again we have converted into the fraction 29 by 8 meter. We have to find the remaining length. We have subtracted cutoff length from the total length, that is 41 by 2 minus 29 by 8. We have taken LCM. After taking LCM, we have solved. After solving, what we will have? 135 by 8 meter as the answer. So how do we write? Thus remaining length of the rope is 16 whole 7 by 8 meter. So this is the way of solving with the statement in the questions of word problem. So this is question number 4. Okay, note it down. Now we will try question number 7. We will try question number 7. Okay, so I am going to rub it. Question number 7. So see in question number 7 what it is given. Rafiq exercise for 3 by 6 of an hour. Rafiq exercise for 3 by 6 of an hour. Okay, and Rohit exercise for how long? For 3 by 4 of an hour. Okay, Rafiq exercise for 3 by 6 of an hour. Rohit exercise for 3 by 4 of an hour. So what we have to find? We have to find who exercise for a longer time. In this question, we have to find who exercise for the longer time, whether Rafiq is exercise for a longer time or Rohit is exercise for a longer time, and by how much also. Okay, so what we do? So for doing this, what we will do? We will make the denominator same. We will make the denominator same. When denominator will be same, we can easily see that who is exercising for a longer time. So see here, how do we do? How will we do? Rafiq exercising for 3 by 6 into 4 into 4. 3 4 is 12, 6 4 is 24 hour. Okay, 24 of an hour. Now Rohit, for how long? Rohit exercising for 3 by 4 into 6 into 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24 of an hour. Okay, so now we are seeing that denominator is same in both the cases. We have what we have done, we have make the denominator same. So now Rafiq is exercising for 12 by 24 of an hour. Rohit is exercising for how long? 18 by 24 of an hour. Denominator is same. Now when denominator is same, we can easily see that Rohit is exercising for a longer time than Rafiq, because it is 18 by 24, it is 12 by 24 and 18 by 24 is greater than 12 by 24. So Rohit is exercising for a longer time. Okay, and now what we have to find? We have to find for how long. So according to question, what we have to do? According to question, 18 by 24 minus 12 by 24, that is 6 upon 24. 6 upon 24 is the answer. So we are saying that 6 upon 24 is reducible. We can reduce it. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So answer is 1 by 4 of an hour. Rohit is exercising 1 by 4 of an hour longer than Rafiq. So how do we write? Thus Rohit is exercising longer than Rafiq and by 1 by 4 of an hour. This is the answer. Rohit is exercising longer than Rafiq and by 1 by 4 of an hour. So this is the solution of question number 7. Rafiq is exercised 3 by 6 of an hour. Rohit is 3 by 4 of an hour. We have to find who is exercising for a longer time. So for doing that, what we will do, we will make the denominator same. We have done. After making the denominator same, we can easily see that Rohit is exercising for a longer time. Now what we have to find? We have to find also for how long. For that we will subtract, and after subtracting we will get 1 by 4 of an hour is exercising for a longer than Rafiq. So this is the solution of question number 7. Now rest of the question you will do by your, all are almost same, in the same type. Okay, don't forget to write the statement like this only. You have to do, you have to solve the question along with the statement, and by this we have completed this chapter fraction. Now we will begin decimal from our next period. So complete it, complete the whole chapter. If any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.